Let's take a look at the midpoint theorem. Now, there are two ways in which we can understand the midpoint theorem. It's basically a midpoint theorem and its converse, but we don't have to say converse. We can just call it a midpoint. So what is the midpoint theorem? Well, if you have the same triangle ABC here, and this is just a duplicate ABC. Now, if you have this triangle ABC and you draw a line inside it, a straight line inside this triangle, but not only do you just draw it randomly, you make sure that you draw it from the midpoint of this side. Let's say E. Midpoint meaning that this part is as long as this, to the midpoint of the other side, meaning that this part is as long as this. So we draw this line EF, and EF is drawn on the midpoint, meaning that these are then equal to each other. Then the following can be concluded. You can conclude that that line will be parallel to the third side of the triangle. But not only that, if the third side is 10 meters, then it will be 5 meters. It is half of the third side. That's midpoint theorem. So let's go to this other triangle. If you do have the midpoint drawn, say EF, and this is already parallel to this, and it bisects one of the sides, then you can conclude again that it bisects the other side, and if this is 10 meters, then this is 5 meters.